What's up, ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another lead review for an online work from home opportunity. This work from home opportunity will help you make money online, which is what this channel is all about, helping you and others you know make money online. Now, this lead, as you can see from your screen, is about a technical recruiting position at a company called Paymentology, and they actually have roughly 3 to 4 positions open currently, where they are looking for people to work remotely. See, it says remote, internationally from any country in the world, all from the comfort of home or your cafe nearby or the beach if you have, a hot spot, um, wherever, whenever, to your liking. Again, anywhere in the world, and at the time of this recording of 9:26 p.m. on Monday, December, what date is today? Oh my goodness, Monday, December 20. So it's 5 days till Christmas. Okay? You will be working from anywhere in the world, but at 9:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, December 20, 2021. This video was actually posted 8 hours ago. So let's just jump into it because I want to make this as quick as possible so that whoever is listening, watching, can listen or watch, apply, and get back to the holiday season. So, about us. Our people team is the heartbeat of our company, finding and hiring our awesome paymentologists all around the globe, making sure that they've got the support and guidance needed to grow and keep all of our team members connected no matter how many time zones they have in between. As a technical recruiter at Paymentology, you will play a critical part in our people and talent acquisition team to hit aggressive hiring goals in pursuit of increasing our engineering and infrastructure and security teams across the world by end of 2022. So this is their goal, right? Helping their people and talent acquisition team hit their aggressive hiring goals in pursuit of increasing their engineering and infrastructure and security teams across the world. Cool? Cool. So you're going to help them recruit people and help build their teams to where they want them by end of 2022. All right? So smash some goals, smash some targets. You will definitely be making some money. Now, what you get to do in this role, you will provide full lifecycle support to our fast-growing teams, working closely with a number of highly engaged team leads across Paymentology. You will drive outcomes, and this sometimes means making hard decisions or respectfully challenging other points of view. So, we expect you to be organized, adaptable, and a strong communicator. You will be tasked with actively sourcing top tech talent and being the main point of contact for these candidates. We are looking for individuals, not just one person, but individuals, okay, who thrive in an asynchronous collaborative environment and are team players, but can also take ownership and work autonomously to achieve Paymentology's goals. So you don't need to worry that they're only getting one person. Still apply because they want multiple people. Okay? Okay. So what it takes to succeed? Well, you should have 6+ years of experience of full life cycle in technical or developer recruiting. Be a proven strategic sourcer and closer, and you should have the track record with sourcing, recruiting, and closing. Unique technical and product talent. So they want unique people with varying skills that are really good at what they do in a very creative way. Make sense? I hope it does. If you have any questions, hit me in the description. Comments. Ask questions in the comments. By the way, let me know where you're watching this from. I like meeting people. Moving on. You should develop creative recruiting strategies and build diversity into your recruiting and sourcing strategies. and consistently deliver results against niche tech profiles. Be an ambassador. You represent yourself and Paymentology with integrity and courtesy, both internally and externally. Prioritize effectively across competing demands and maintain responsiveness, business focus, integrity, and sound judgment. Anticipate challenges and proactively work to eliminate them through collaboration and analysis. Be comfortable working in a high autonomy environment. Our team will support and collaborate with you, but you must be able to work independently. Now, as a bonus, they want you to have a previous tech career. An example of this is a software developer passionate about tech, particularly fintech, financial technology, fintech products, and opportunities. Experience in a high growth environment supporting multiple hiring teams. Personable, authentic, collaborative, with a high level of candor. Ability to work in a geographically distributed team. A real drive to succeed and a passion for taking on new challenges and making them your own. Now, this is a remote contractor position, not full-time, but contractor. Contractor, not full-time. Contractor. Captain Contractor in the building. Yeah. Okay. This is a remote contractor position, meaning you're not hired full-time. You're hired for a period. After that period, they'll review. If they want to hire you again, they'll hire you again. If not, so there are times they will hire people for a year or 6 months. Clarify that when you get to the interview. Okay? Okay. Now, this is a remote contractor position. Flexibility is key as our technical talent acquisition team is spread out over the globe. Now, what you can look forward to. At Paymentology, we value making a difference to the lives of the people who work for us and who live in the communities where we operate. As values are important to us, you can look forward to working alongside fellow Paymentologists who share these values. You'll be part of a team that is passionate about making a difference on a global scale. We focus on building strong, diverse teams built from different backgrounds, experiences, and identities. And this is indeed an HR type of position. And if you're interested in HR type of stuff and you have background in software development and other tech stuff, like programming and all that, well, not necessarily programming, but you have a head start with things like software development, hit this button. You'll be recruiting people to work in that sector. And so they want you to have some experience with that kind of stuff. So hit this button, upload your information, fill in the blanks, attach your resume, cover letters. If you don't have a resume or cover letter, check the links in the description to a website called Canva. It is absolutely free and offers hundreds and thousands of templates. Yeah. Just where it says name, put your name in. Where it says address, put your address there. Okay? Okay. All right. Great. Yeah. So, you want this job, you want to make money online, press this button, apply. Also, there are other links, like the very first link in the description teaches you how you can set your own automated business up. Yeah. And then where it says about the lead, right after the link to this page, there's another link right below that also shows you how you can access a free video teaching you how you can set up your own online business. Seriously. So, if you're interested in either the lead or setting up your own online business, check the links in the description. This is the Internet Income Ninja wishing you a happy holiday. Happy holidays. All the best to you and yours. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, I still wish you peace and happiness. That's universal. And I wish you all the best for the new year. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja speaking. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.